There's a simple method that can guide anyone to master woodworking projects without needing years of experience. Discover a simple woodworking hack that lets you build stunning projects faster and easier than ever. Have you struggled with confusing blueprints, wasted materials, or feeling stuck on your projects? Ted McGrath, a master craftsman with over 25 years of experience, found that success in woodworking isn't about a massive workshop or expensive tools. It's about having clear, detailed plans that guide you every step of the way. Working with woodworkers of all levels, Ted realized most frustrations stem from poorly designed plans. So he created Ted's Woodworking, a collection of over 16,000 easy-to-follow plans for projects from coffee tables to outdoor sheds. Learn more about how Ted's Woodworking can help you create beautiful projects without mistakes by clicking on the Watch Video Now button. No more guesswork, no more costly mistakes. These plans break down complex projects into simple, manageable steps so you can build confidently even as a beginner. Thousands are using Ted's Woodworking to create beautiful furniture, backyard decks, and intricate cabinetry without frustration or wasted time. Detailed diagrams, step-by-step instructions, and clear photos make every project a breeze. Over 16,000 users have transformed their woodworking experience with this collection. They're building faster, saving on materials, and finally completing the projects they've always dreamed of. Click the button below for a free video about how Ted's Woodworking is helping people get professional results from their hobby.